Now that we have all the tools installed in our computer, let's create our first project. Traditionally, the first thing you do when you learn a new programming language is to print out Hello World, and we will do the same. So let's create the project. So now I am inside the C drive, and here I will create a new folder, JS demo. Now I will open this JS demo folder in Visual Studio Code Editor. So I will go to command prompt and write code code dot. So it will kick in Visual Studio Code Editor in JS demo folder. So here I can see I have my JS demo folder. Closing the welcome message, and now I will create a new file here, index.html. So here we are creating a index.html file, and .html is the extension for all the HTML pages. So here I will write the basic template code for our HTML page, and it have a document type which basically tells the browser that this is a HTML document, and inside HTML tag we have head and body. So inside head we have a specified uh, different viewport settings, and inside body we write the HTML content. So let write here a h1 tag and write here, hi, this is my first HTML page. Control save. So now we have created index.html. Next, we have to initialize the node project inside this JSDemo folder. So I will go to terminal, new terminal, and here I will run command npm init. So npm initialize, it will basically initialize a node project inside my JSDemo folder. Hit enter. So here it is asking me the package name, which is same as the folder name, so we will use all default values. Description, we can write this is my first JS project, enter. Author, I can write the name. So here it is giving us all the details, like it is going to add a package.json file in which we have name of the application, version of the application, description of the application, and here we have the author and license details. So is this okay? Yes. And it have created a package.json file for us. Now to serve this index.html in the browser, we need a server also. So we are going to use light server, and to install that we are going to use npm install light server dash dash save and dev environment. Hit enter. So as you can see, in dev dependencies I got my light server with the version of 2.6.1, and you have also observed one more folder is created, node underscore modules. So this folder have my light server, all the details of my light server. So now I will configure my light server. So here I will create a dev environment tag, dev environment script, and I will write light server here and comma. That's it. My light server is configured. Now I need to run this application. To run this application, I need to write a command npm run and the environment name dev. So as you can see here, I got my message, hi, this is my first HTML page. So our app is up and running. So if I change this message and hit Control Save, here you can see it is live reloading and my content is changed in my browser also. Now we are all set up with this project, but it does not use JavaScript yet, and this we will learn in next lecture. So see you there where we will start writing JavaScript code. Thank you.